Imagine waking up with money in your account from while you are sleeping. That's the power of passive income with digital products. However, most people, they get too overwhelmed before they even get started with digital marketing in order to get to the point to create that passive income. In this video, I'm going to break down a simple step-by-step formula, a way for you to start digital marketing, selling digital products, and start creating that passive income so that you can have more time freedom with your family. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are stuck financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing. So if you've been feeling stuck, stressed, in regards to your financial situation, just trying to figure everything out as well with digital marketing and trying to make that money online that you see everybody else out there doing, well, stick around because in this video, that's what we're going to get into. I'm going to show you how you can get started with digital marketing. You don't have to worry about that being stuck in a rut, trading all your time for dollars anymore. See, I've been there before. I know what it's like. I know what it's like to be stuck, not being able to figure it out. You need that extra income. You need more income streams coming in, but you just don't know where to start. It all seems so overwhelming, really, to get started for a lot of beginners. Well, you see, I found a way. I started with digital products. I started creating and promoting and selling digital products online, and it's been a game changer. It's been the answer to instead of chasing all these shiny new objects and shiny new opportunities out there, I got down to it and I discovered and learned how to start creating these digital products to create passive income with these digital products. And now I'm going to teach you how to do this. I want to show you how. So by the end of this video, you're going to know how you can start with digital products. It's all going to make a lot more sense to you, and you can get started today with digital products, selling digital products online. All right. So let's get started. Let's get into this content. And hey, if you do enjoy this type of content, learning more about digital marketing and creating digital products, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more videos that are going to be out just like this one here. I put out more content. So if you also like this type of content, make sure you smash that like button down here and let's get started. All right. So the first thing that we want to do when it comes to creating and selling digital products online to create that passive income is we want to pick the right product. You want to sell the right product. A lot of people, one of the main mistakes or one of the biggest mistakes that people are making out there, especially beginners, is they pick the wrong product. They either pick something that's too complicated, too convoluted to just, too overwhelming to even get started and figure it out, or they're just picking something that nobody really wants, right? I mean, maybe you really like something and you like this product. That's a pretty cool product. I think I'm going to go and sell it. But just because you think it's really cool, it's a really neat product, it doesn't mean that there's a marketplace for it. It doesn't mean that there's a lot of people out there, a lot of hungry buyers that actually want to buy that particular product. Okay. So yes, absolutely. It helps when you have a passion, when you really like something, you're excited about something, and it's a niche that you have a passion about. I teach that. This is what I try to, help people understand and implement when it comes to product creation, is to create a product that you have passion about. Turn your passions into profits. But that doesn't mean that just anything, right? If you're passionate about something and you really like something, but nobody else likes it, nobody else wants to buy it, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter how passionate you are about it. You have to find a niche that you're passionate about and that there's a lot of buyers out there. A lot of people actually want that product. Does that make sense? Right. So what type of products can we be looking at, right? We want something that's not complicated. We want something that's easy, especially if you're just starting out as a beginner. You want simple products to create. What kind of products are these? Well, number one, they can be ebooks or guides, right? They're very simple. It doesn't take it's not complicated to create these type of products. Okay. You can use a PDF. You use a Word document. You could write out your whole ebook on a Word document, and then you can just easily convert it into a PDF. Or you can take that information and go over to Canva and put that information into a nice, beautiful, pretty package with with images in there, right? And Canva has a lot of great templates that you could use to start creating beautiful ebooks and guides. The next simple product that you can create is even more simple. It's either a template or a checklist. Okay. People are looking for templates. Like I just mentioned here, you can go over to Canva and use a template already there, and you can start putting your information in for an ebook or a guide. Well, if you're creating templates like that, you can create a template for people to use for whatever they want to use, whatever you can think of that people are going to use often, and just create a template for that. Okay. Then they could use that template. Maybe you're looking at, for example, reels. Okay. You can create a whole bunch of quick reel videos that are like 10 seconds long, 15 seconds long, 5 seconds long, create a bunch of templates that people could use for their faceless marketing. Okay. And that's easily done with just stock photos or your own personal photos that you are creating with your camera, with your phone. Checklists are very easy to create, even like in a form of a guide, right? Like I've got a digital profits formula. It's a checklist formula. You can grab it down below in the description. It's a free gift for you. Just go down and grab that out of the description. And that's an example that you will be able to see as a checklist for digital marketing and creating these digital products. It's a great, if you want this type of information that's in a checklist that you can follow, and it's the quick formula, there's one example of that. But then you also have other checklists that you can be creating for any type of thing, meal planning, planners, checklists, all that sort of stuff, right? Fitness checklists, okay? A marketing checklist, workout, all sorts of stuff out there that you can be creating as a checklist. Just think about it. That's what I mean. When it comes to your passion in your niche, what are you passionate about? What kind of stuff are you in that you have knowledge about? And that you know, and if it's profitable, of course, right? If people are looking for this type of information, that you can create a quick checklist that they can follow for getting started with a particular thing, investing in stocks or investing in real estate, right? Those things. And see, those, by the way, are profitable because it's within the wealth niche. People are looking to make money in stocks. People are looking to make money in real estate. They want to know how to get started. You can provide them with a quick getting started checklist, right? All right. Okay. The next one is a mini course. Create a mini course. Well, what's a mini course? It's simple. It's like maybe you got 3 videos that are 5 minutes long, 3 modules, 5 minutes long, each one teaching about something, right? Maybe you're into fitness. Okay. And people are looking to improve their fitness. They want some great workouts, and you can give them a mini course on fitness right there. 3 quick videos. That's it. It's not a long, comprehensive course. It's just a short one. Or if you want to make it even more simple, you can get on and you can do a free webinar, right? You can do a webinar that's 45 minutes long, and then you could package that up as a 45-minute long webinar, and then it's one video. All it is a recording, and that is a mini course. It's a mini product that you could sell to somebody just like that. All right. Very simple, very affordable. Make them as small ticket products is what you can be doing. Well, you see, there's 3 very simple products that even beginners can get started using and doing. It's very simple. Don't make it complicated. You just need to use your phone for doing most of this work. Remember, if you're struggling with all of this, trying to put it all together, grab my digital profit formula. Just comment formula. I'll make sure that you do have all the details. Comment formula. I'll get you over the details. Not a problem at all. And let's move on here. The next step, the next thing that you want to be doing is build your simple system to sell it. Yeah, now that you got your product, how are you going to sell it, right? You need a simple system for selling it. Because remember, our goal here is what? Passive income, okay? So you want to be able to make, what I mean by passive income with this, right? Well, what I mean is a sale can come in whether you are sleeping, whether you're out and about throughout the day doing whatever it is that you're doing. All right. You could be at the cinema watching a movie. You could be at the gym working out. You can be sleeping, getting some rest, right? Doing whatever it is. You're spending some time with your family, out on a vacation, right? You are going about your life. And while you're going about your life, income can be coming in because a sale is made from a product that you made once. How does that sale happen without you now having to, fulfill the product? In other words, receive the payment and then send products out and stuff like that. You need a system. You need a system built to handle all these sales while you're out doing something. So what does that look like? Well, here's a simple 3-part system. All right. Number one, you need a system that's going to capture emails. Okay. So you do need a system, I believe, and you can do this by offering a free gift. Okay. So if you have a landing page, a squeeze page where somebody's going to give you their email, okay, give you their email address, and then in turn or return in, they give you your email, they give you their email address, and then you give them a free gift like a checklist. All right. Like my digital profits formula, right? Where I walk you through this process. So you're going to receive that. You're going to send somebody a gift for their email address. Their email address is now on a list. So now you need an autoresponder system, a list management system that's going to handle all of these. It's also going to have a campaign in there where you can put a whole bunch of emails that are already pre-written that they will go out every few days to this new subscriber. And these emails are going to provide value. Okay. You want to provide value to your new subscribers, teaching them, helping them, and also going to sell them something, sell them a product, right? Your digital product. Okay. So that's how that's going to work. Somebody's going to receive information from you. You're going to build a relationship with them through the emails. And then you are also going to have within this system, you're also going to have your sales page. You're going to have your sales page, which could be your store. All right. You can have a store set up, which is going to list your products or list the main product that you are going to be selling, your ebook, your guide, or your checklist, or your mini course, something like that. So you're going to have your sales page that's going to list this product so they can buy it from you. All right. And so after they opt in, they're going to be entered onto your list, and then they're also going to be forwarded over to the sales page so that they have an opportunity to purchase the product from you right there, just like that, right? And if not, they're on your list and you're building a relationship with them, and you can continue to email and market to them as well at the same time. You see how that works? And now these emails are going to be sent out automatically through your email series campaign. Automation here. This is automation. Okay, this is going to happen whether you're sleeping, you're out and about throughout your life doing whatever it is that you're doing. Makes things simple. And then you on your sales page, it's going to have an order page where they can purchase the product from you, and that there is all automated because when they purchase the product, they're also going to be sent the product after confirmation of payment, where they could download your digital product that you have created. All of that can happen through automation without you having to receive the money and then manually send everything out to them and send them the product and stuff like that, right? You see what I mean? Now, what do you need to do? You need to then send traffic to your system, to your funnel system, to your whole system. You understand what I'm saying? That's how that works. It's very simple, and you can do this. I know you can. How do we do that? That's step number 3 is now sending traffic to your system, right? You want to send traffic to your system. How do you do this? Well, you're going to do this in a few different ways. All right. You're going to, number one, what you can be doing is using short form video content on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You're going to be creating these short form videos on YouTube. You could also be doing the long form videos, just like this video, right? But you're going to be creating these short form videos, and you're going to send people, or, just like this, and you're going to be sharing value in your videos and then directing them to your page. Just like I'm mentioning here, I have the digital profits formula. The link is down below. It's in the description. Go and check out the link, or comment down below. Just comment formula, and I will make sure that you have the digital profits formula, all the details for that. Okay. It's very simple. So that's what you're going to be doing. So you're going to go to TikTok, and I'd recommend, hey, if you're starting out, you can go ahead with like 1 video a day on TikTok, right? Very simple to do. Go over to YouTube here, 1 to 3 videos per week on YouTube, long form. All right. Same thing on Facebook. If you're using Facebook or you're using Instagram, creating the stories and creating the reels, follow the same as TikTok. Go at least one. I mean, they're short form. We're talking like 30-second videos. We're talking 2-minute videos at max for short form videos. Really, ideally, it should be, 30 seconds to a minute and a half at the most, which is 90 seconds. Okay. For a short form video. So you're going to do that. You're going to start doing that, and it's going to be, this is organic traffic. You're going to keep on working on this content consistently, just being consistent day by day by day. You're not going to expect the immediate result the very first day or first week, but you're going to be consistent with that is what you're going to be doing. All right. Then you can also move on to scaling your business with purchased ads. And you could purchase ads, like you could purchase classified ads. You could purchase Facebook pay-per-click with Facebook, or YouTube ads by buying the traffic, buying your ads that way, or buying traffic in many different places, other types of pay-per-click advertising. You can be doing that. All right. So, but I always recommend to start with, with the organic traffic, with the free content generating traffic, or traffic done by your content that you're creating. Why? Because once you have content out there, once you have organic traffic out there, that's even true passive, because that content is going to remain out there all the time. And as long as it's good quality content that's evergreen meaning it's always good. It's always of value, right? It's a video that you create today, and it's still good and providing value next year and the year after that and the year after that and the year after that. It doesn't change. It's not like an update video on current events that are happening today. You want to create value or content that has value for today and tomorrow and so on, all the way down the line. That's evergreen content. That's the most valuable content that you can be producing, because it will always be relevant, always providing value, and then it will always provide the traffic to your funnel, to your system. You can do this. I know you can do this, right? Now, if you want the complete system, a complete teachings on education on how to really put this together, my marketing bundle down below in the description, grab my marketing bundle. You're going to need it. This is going to walk you through how you can monetize your skills, how you can use social media. It's got the playbook for social media. It's got a playbook for ChatGPT. It's got the content calendar for social media. It's got everything that you need for creating these products and making passive income with digital products. Grab it below in the description or comment bundle, and I'll make sure that you have all the details for that marketing bundle as well. So if you found value, and if you found value in this content at all, you know what to do. You know I'd appreciate it if you did. Smash that like button. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you found most value in, what you like the best. And as well, if you like this type of content, I got YouTube right here recommending the next video for you to go head on over there and watch. So I'll be over there in that video. So head on over there, watch that video. I'll see you there, and bye for now.